In this video, we will talk about how to import and export the customer invoices and vendor bills. The import and export is done using the module's corresponding buttons, similarly to how it works with the directories. However, when importing invoices, it should be noted that most of the documents stored in the old database are historical and don't need to be imported into Odoo. Therefore, when we import invoices, there is an additional field where we can specify the date from which we import documents, and documents dated earlier will not be imported. Now let's import all our invoices from QuickBooks. Okay, now we have 423 invoices. We can see the imported list here or directly in the invoice module. Other imports will be done automatically at a specified frequency using the cron job. You will need it to update the status of existing invoices, because new invoices will be created in the Odoo system based on your sales orders. And then it will be exported to the QuickBooks using the export button, or again automatically using the cron job. When the accounting department on the QuickBooks side has registered a payment, and the invoice has changed its status from unpaid to paid, these changes will be automatically imported into the Odoo, and your data will always be synchronized. So let me show you how it works from the beginning. Let's create a new invoice. We're going to choose a customer and some product he wants to order. Then confirm this invoice. Now let's export it to our QuickBooks database. We can do this directly from here on the QuickBooks Connections tab. Now let's switch over to our QuickBooks application. From here we have Customer Center, and on the Transactions tab, we can see all the customer invoices. Let's dive into the invoice that we just created and register a payment from our customer. When we save it, we can see that the status has changed to paid. Now back to the Odoo. As you can see in Odoo, the status of this invoice is still unpaid. So let's run our cron job manually to synchronize our systems. Okay, so now let's check our invoice status again. Great, the invoice has changed its status from unpaid to paid. So this is how it works. Regarding to export and import the vendor bills, you can do it in the same way that invoices, just on the Bills tab.